Do you know you can actually increase how much you earn on YouTube by the numbers of ads that plays in between your videos? Yes, and you can actually do that yourself. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy Somi Francis. Feels so good to have you here. If today is your first time of you coming across this face, please don't make it your last. All right. Now, do you know that you can actually increase how much you earn on YouTube? And you know that you can actually impute different number of ads on your video by yourself? I'm sure you are shocked. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. In this tutorial, I'll be using my other channel that is monetized to do this. All right. Now, without wasting of our time, let's go straight into the video. Let's learn how to increase our revenue on YouTube. All right. So guys, first thing we are going to be doing is logging into our Chrome browser, which is this one. Okay, you're going to go to your YouTube studio on your Chrome, studio.youtube.com. Okay, don't forget, I'm going to be making this tutorial with my monetized channel because my other channel is not monetized. So let me make it more wide, more bold rather. Now you're going to tap on create because we have to upload a video first. So I'll show you how to do this. All right. Now it will give you something like this. You click over here. Okay, I'm going to go. Okay, whatever way your phone do display, okay, mine will display like this for it to show me my videos. Okay, so whichever way your own is going to display, just make do of it. All right, so I'm going to make use of this very video. We're going to allow it. We're going to wait for it. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Here you have your name. Okay, you're going to input our channel name, our video name, title rather. So let me just add game time. Okay, game time with family. With family. Description, you just add your description. In this video, okay, you can just add whatever you want to add in your description. One thing I love about your studio is going to give you a lot of options. Okay, unlike when you're uploading a video from your YouTube app directly, you will be restrained. Okay, you won't have options, okay, to explore and add a lot of things, but we are not going into all of that. Okay, you just do fill all of that, all of this. There's place for keywords and everything. Then you press next. Now this is where you have your monetization. This is the next step. Let me make it bold so you can see it clearly. This is where you have your monetization, which, as you all know, you're going to turn on your monetization. Unlike YouTube before, immediately you upload a video, monetization will just be turned on automatically, but now you have to turn it on, which here, done. Okay, we've turned it on. I'm going up. So after turning it on, you're going to see something like this. Now look at place ads during video mid rolls. Okay, it's on. Now you see over here, You can see review placement. Now this is where we are going to click this review placement. All right. Now this place, okay, you can see there's monetization, there's ad stability, there's video elements, there's check, there's visibility. This is where you just add everything. You add everything, pardon me, even your end screen, everything you need to add while uploading. Okay, on my next video, I think I'm going to teach on how to premiere your video. I think a lot of people don't know how to do that. So for now, let's concentrate on what we're doing. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this review placement. All right, you click on review placement. Let's make it so we can see how it's going to come out. Okay, my network is kind of slow. Okay, we'll just wait for it to open. So now it has opened like this. This is what it's going to show you. This is the video. And note, okay, before YouTube is going to permit you to place ads on your video have to be up to 8 minutes. Okay, if your video is not up to 8 minutes, YouTube won't give you the opportunity to add ads to your videos. Okay, but if your video is 8 minutes and above, then you are eligible, okay, for placement of ads in between your videos. Do you get that? So now how are we going to add ads? How are we going to place ads in this video? Now this is what you're going to do. Wherever you want to place the ads, you just tap on it. I don't want to brighten large this, I don't want to enlarge it too much so you can see everything I'm doing. You just tap on the place. You When you tap on it, you see where you have add brick. Let me zoom it. Here, over here, this place. Good. So I'm going to take it a little bit down so we can see. You click on it. Then you click on the next place. You can see it. You can see how your video is. Then you click on add break. You click on another place, add break. This is how you keep on clicking on it. That is why you can see a video that has 6 adverts. Now when I mean 6 adverts, you know it's always 2 it's coming sets. 2 1 of 1 and 1 of 2. Yes, you can see those 2 of 2 3 times on a video. That's because the person has added enough ads. Okay, so that's what you keep on doing. You keep on doing it that way. You can see what we are doing. We are placing ads. Okay, now this last place. Good. That's for our end of the video. Now ad break. Now you can see all the lines up here. Let me bring it, zoom it out. Now you can see everywhere we place ads over here. You can see them. All right, you can see them everywhere we place ads. Look at it. Can you see it? All this stuff here, these black stuffs here that are arranged, lined up. These are the ads we placed on this video. And you can see the time frame where we added. Okay, look at it. Look at it, look at it. 36 seconds of the video. When the video started, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes. Okay, you can see it, right? Now let's reduce this. Now, so what are you going to do next? After doing this, you're going to press continue. Now look at something. After pressing continue, you can see it everywhere is okay. Now when you come below here at the right hand side, at your right hand, you will see on next. Okay, once you click on this next, that is it, it is done. Okay, I'm just teaching you how to add ads. Okay, how to place ads on your video. So that is it. When you press this next, okay, let me just show it to you for proper understanding. It will take you to other things you have to do to upload your videos. Okay, but that is not what we're after. just to teach you how to place ads in between your videos. So monetization. So that is how to place ads in your video. I hope it is well understandable. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I will be there waiting to take your questions. If you want more explanation, I'll also be there waiting to receive your questions, and I'm ready to give you more explanations if you don't understand. But I think the way it is explained, it is well detailed. All right, guys. And I hope these tutorials have been able to help someone out there. All right, do me well to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always get notified when next we drop a new video, and I'll wait back to back good videos, and I'll wait back to back I'll wait back to back good video content from this very channel. See you next time. Don't forget, this shouldn't be your last time of seeing this face. Bye bye.